aba batandikire kushohora bwa nyuma ya chairman wa works okutandika kushoma report yo gukora inguto za district. Abashohwire tubagarukire nuko speaker kuteza karuru yabo urukiko rushemerire kugumizamu ninga wapi.
Council is the highest authority in as far as budgeting is concerned, and I'm saying this one as a speaker. Okay. I don't want to have issues with the roads committee.
Mukuru wa district ya Mbarara azumire nyetwaza yaba kansara abashohwire.
That's why I wanted them to be here, and I tell them they have the work plans in the budgets they have. So please members, imabasigara mugumenu mayango y'icyo kitabo cya budget no muchikuba cyangu ikiri mu work plans or is real.
Their South Africa faction is not recorded. Yet I wish they were here. It will be put on the record that they were not satisfied with what was presented by such and such a committee.
Nabwanyuma speaker aragire ba accountant obutashashura ba kansara bashohwire akasimo ka kanso. Bamwe abebembezi ababire baryo mu kanso bajumirire micwe erebicuro mu kanso eji.
The problem with these councillors, they approved plans, they approved budget, but they didn't read them. So they are here making noise.
65 millions nibajangu zikozwe kuti kwa kilometers 8 enguto zone zo kuti zikozwe konka zikozwe no shanga 9 kilometers zikozwe 22 millions mara twagambiye cyo tujangu twabiya
kandi harabona no manyo gundi ogwabegurho karvat sezira zikaba zifumukira baretitaka barushika hamto bakarvat zifumukira on that road nyoko gamba millions ziganina oni stose mabra urgarama road dinguza kwichesa.
Forget about being the chairman. I am the chairman NRM, and all these are NRM flag bearers, but they are misleading council.
Omugande makuru abebembezi ba government zebyanga omu district za Bunyoro na Toro bashabire government okutamano mu nguto amarwariro hamwe n'amashomero omumbarira yayo eyo mwaka gw'2025-2026.
Some of the art teachers were opting for early retirement.
Babigambira omushomo gwo kwebuza okwembarira eshemeriro kwera entunguka y'abantu.
Then kakagadi bakongera bakatana kingurwe wa kienzige ugashari kyangwali kuko zikuba tugenda kisanga kyenyonyi.
Government inekuteka mu bwinganiza obukubane ya sente zo kandi yakozesa real data uko at Fort Portal yali ine kilometer kabibiri zengudu sazino ine kilometer karusanju tusobora kubano kisara sente actually wakubeno gyongera sente.
Omurteranirwa bebembezi ba district za Bunyoro na Toro orubiraro Hoima Resort Hotel abebembezi bagizirengwa amarwariro amashomero n'enguto omubyanga byabo bibiri kubimunonga kandi nebyendo kukorwaho.
But we are appealing that government should really see that the recruitment exercise is being lifted up so that we can recruit more workers because we have that challenges.
Ebyo bikiryaho government eshowize report erukoreka ngutoro na Bunyoro nibo bakirizeyo no kuba abantu abatine mu rumogono gubarukora no minister Matia Kasaija okushabo kugire kibarukora ekirukurugama akasente.
Toro has the highest unemployment of the working age population in Uganda at 14.6%, and Bunyoro is second highest at 17.3%.
Emyok kajihu rounding PDM ngijo na area arone CBC as a pay we set in the country nazo ziya these particularly as leaders muleme ku preaching ebigambo inye mutaka koraki mutaka.
Secondly, the Honorable Raphael Majezi cautions us about transparency. According to the records given to us by the IGG, Uganda is losing trillions of money in hands of us present here because we are the people directly touching the money or passing it on to the next person.
Embarira y'umwaka gw'2025-2026 neja kutamburira kongera umutindo ningashi agro industrialization ebyo birambuze obuyo bwiga bwo mwitaka no kurinda ebyo buhangwa. The Evans Taremwa na Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.